reasons why I think a Kia Rio 2006 it's a good car for a startup or a building channel in YouTube, because of the car. It's first point that I'm going to pick, it's economy on the car, because the economy on the car, it's too light. It's a 1.4 engine which can do about let's say almost 100 horsepower. The horsepowers are down but like for a building channel, for a startup, it's a good car because it's also cheap, so you can just get it maybe around 30,000 fairly. You'll find it in a good condition, but 40-50,000, then you can get a good one. And you can start up by listing all the problems on the car. Then you make up a list. Then after you make up a list, then you can check, or okay, I need this and this and this and this and this and this. Then you start getting the parts in. So now on mine, I'll show you each and every detail of whatever I'm going to do with it. Whether I'm changing wheels, windows, trims, everything, lights and everything. I will do each and every video to show you guys how to fix this kind of car. Everything, because of this car is too light on petrol. That's the very first thing that attracted me to this car. So guys, if you're enjoying the content and you like some more content in my YouTube channel, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can be able to make more videos for you guys. Thank you guys.
Ay, ya que rama. Y papá na ves color. Papá sangue color.